In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page to your Gamma site step by step, so you can expand your website quickly without getting lost in the process. Whether you're building a portfolio, a business page, a landing page, or just adding extra content to your Gamma project, this is one of the easiest things you can do once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Gamma site project. Once you're inside your workspace, make sure you're on the correct site or project that you want to edit. This part is important because if you have more than one project, you want to be working on the right one before making any changes. Next, look toward the top left side of the screen and open the Pages panel. This is where Gamma keeps the structure of your site, including your existing pages and the controls for creating new ones. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the left side carefully, because Gamma's layout is designed to keep page management simple and organized. Once the Pages panel is open, click Add Page. This is the main action that starts the process of creating a brand new page in your Gamma site. After you click it, Gamma will usually give you a couple of ways to begin. At this point, you can choose to start from scratch or generate a page with AI. If you want full control and already know exactly what you want on the page, starting from scratch is a great option. If you want Gamma to help you build the page faster, then using AI can save time and give you a solid first draft. Either way works, so choose the option that best fits your workflow. If you start from scratch, you can begin adding your page content manually. This may include headline, text sections, images, buttons, or any other content you want to include on the page. If you use AI, you can enter a prompt describing the page you want, and Gamma will generate a layout and content structure for you. From there, you can refine it and make adjustments until it looks the way you want. As you build the page, take a moment to make sure the content matches the purpose of that page. For example, if it's a contact page, keep it simple and clear. If it's a product page or service page, make sure the most important details are easy to find. Gamma makes it easy to edit and rearrange content, so don't be afraid to test a few ideas until it feels right. After your content is added, rename the page if needed. This is a really useful step because page names help keep your site organized, especially if you're managing multiple pages. A clear page name also helps you stay consistent with your site structure and makes it easier to find the page later when you come back to edit it. Once everything looks good, the final step is to publish the site to make the new page live. Publishing is what pushes your changes from the editor to the public version of your Gamma site. Without publishing, your new page may still exist in the draft version, but visitors won't be able to see it yet, so always remember to publish after making updates. And that's it. You've now added a new page to your Gamma site. It's a simple process once you know where the Pages panel is and how to use the Add Page option. From here, you can continue building out your site, adding more pages, and organizing your content in a clean and professional way. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.